Save me! Save me from his terrible jaws!
Oh, no, Captain. You're just in the smoke. I mean, here. Calm yourself, Captain. There.
I can't think it's me. I can't think it!
Captain, it's you.
What? How dare they speak of me behind my back?
That's so
Better
funny.
not be calling me a codfish, me, or I'll kill Harlem round Skull Rock. And back again.
Oh, it's the next signal.
Inside the new can of bag. Okay, yeah, these beans are super dry, I know, but I just didn't want to add more water because I was only going to can one and I was gonna eat the rest of the beans and I didn't want them with liquidy. I wanted them dry. That's how I like them. But if you want them liquidy, you can add more water. So first you add the beans without the liquid. And at the end, it's when you can add the liquid, like right here. Just be very careful because it's really, really hot and you don't want to burn yourself. And just boil the can. Make sure you clean all the food around the rim and seal it and put it inside of boiling water. And then when you're done, just put it upside down and that's it. You'll be ready.